Hi, it's Hawken with Topdon, and today we're going to take you through installing Topdon apps on your iOS device. Currently, this process works a little different than what you would normally do. Typically, you just search in the App Store and you can find the app you're looking for. Currently, there is an additional step you have to take in order to install the app on your iOS device. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the App Store on our device, and we're going to search for the program called TestFlight. Now we'll zoom in just a little bit so you can see this here. But you can see TestFlight right here, the icon. That's the app we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to install that app first. We'll zoom back out so you can see here. I've already installed it before, so you can see it's got the little cloud symbol. So we're going to install that app first. Then we're going to swipe away, and we're going to go to our web browser, and we're going to go to topdon.us. So topdon.us, and go. And you can see right here, it gives you the tutorial right on the main page. So you can follow the tutorial right there, and you can swipe the screen like this to get to it if you're not seeing it. Otherwise, if you go to the product page of the product that you're looking for the app, so in this particular case, we're going to go to Diagnostic Tools, going to go to DIY Tools, and we're going to go to the Top Scan. That is the tool we're going to show you in this video. But again, the process is going to be very similar regardless of which tool you're using. So we're going to scroll down the page to the very bottom, and you see there's a download section. When we get to the download section, we're going to click on the iOS app link. And now it's going to pull up the TestFlight app automatically. We're going to say allow. We're going to hit continue. And it should automatically allow us to do this. So there it didn't because we had not already done that acceptance. So we're going to go back into the web browser here on Safari. And we're going to hit the iOS app again one more time. And now you should get a pop-up like this. And now right here it says, hey, look, you can download this app directly from the TestFlight app. So we're going to hit accept. I'm going to hit install. And now it's going to pull the app into the TestFlight environment and install it on your device. So this is the solution currently with regards to getting the apps installed on your device if you don't see them in the App Store. Now you can continue to check in the App Store to see if the app is found in the App Store, but again, if for any reason you don't find it in the App Store, we're simply going to install the TestFlight app first, go to the topdon.us website, find the device for which you need the app, visit the download link after installing TestFlight, and then click the link. That will prompt TestFlight to download the app, and then you can install the app. And now you see we've got the TestFlight. It's already installed it here. And of course, now it shows us all the updates related to the app. And now we can go ahead and pair our dongle to the app and continue using the TopScan product. But again, this workflow is going to be extremely similar regardless of which app you are using or which device you are using. For iOS, it's going to be the same. So again, basic steps: install TestFlight first from the App Store, visit the topdon.us website and locate the product which you need the app for, click the download link for the iOS app, and it will automatically launch the TestFlight app and pull that app down from the TestFlight environment, and then you can install it and proceed using it as normal. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions or you're running into any other issues, please do contact us via the website, submit a ticket on the website, or call into the hotline if you need immediate assistance. Thanks again for watching.